Are you looking for the best vlogging cameras in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best vlogging cameras that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Melcam Digital Camera Video Camcorder. Here's a vlogging camera that's high on function, low on price and will surprise you with some delightful features. The Melcam Digital Camera Video Camcorder allows you to take HD resolution pictures at 24 megapixels and comes with 16x digital zoom. It has a 3-inch LCD, 180-degree rotatable screen, so you can take the best selfies at perfect angles. This vlog camera has an internal microphone and supports face detect and anti-shaking feature for conveniently recording videos for your vlogs. Moving on at number 4, we have the Sony RX100V Cybershot. The Sony RX100V Cybershot from Sony's RX100 series is the second on our list and the best vlogging camera in the premium category. It boasts some fabulous features that make it deserve the honors. This camera incorporates a lightning-fast continuous shooting speed of 24 fps. And an autofocus speed of 0.05s means, no matter how fast your subject is moving, this top vlog camera will capture all the action for you in the minutest details. At number 3, we have the KICTEK Ultra HD Camcorder. A vlog camera which is in the league of the best vlog cameras in terms of features but astonishes you with its lower price and some delightful additions. The KICTEK 4K camcorder is a camera with Ultra HD resolution and incorporates a 3-inch capacitive touchscreen, rotatable up to 270 degrees. This vlog camera comes with a 13-megapixel CMOS image sensor with 48-megapixel image resolution, 16x digital zoom and 0.39x super wide-angle lens. This vlog camera comes with an external stereo microphone attached on top of it which use XY stereo pickup technology, low-cut filter to reduce noise and is useful for recording interviews, speeches and your own vlog. At number 2, we have the Canon Powershot G7X Mark II. The latest in the line of high-end compact cameras by Canon, the Powershot G7X Mark II is the top vlogging camera on our list and the best overall. Incorporating some minor changes over its predecessor the G7X, the G7X Mark II has some small changes in design and a new addition in the form of a DIGIC7 processor, for an improved shooting performance. The 1-inch sensor in the Mark II ensures a better detailing and improved shooting in low-light conditions when compared to other compact cameras. And finally at number 1, we have the GoPro Hero 7, waterproof. For once, we have included a vlogging camera that doesn't offer you a flip screen but to compensate for that this device does much more to capture all the live action while you are on your journey. Coming at a premium price and sporting a rugged design and rubberized exterior, the GoPro Hero 7 is a waterproof vlogging camera that allows you to take high-quality videos in 4K ultra-high-definition resolution and image capture in 12 megapixels. This camera boasts of some over-the-top features. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.